Next, I'm getting ready to do this 2012 Xterra, 132,000 miles. I will say this car needs detailed bad. It stinks. It smells of butt and cigarette and weed. Weed's not that bad. That don't bug me. But the smell of cigarette butt in here, wet cigarette butt, oh, it's strong. There's a repo. Look at that. They even left a coffee in this sucker. Go back here. Yes. Diagnose. I'll detect. There we go. If you start hearing a bunch of beeping and horns or something, there's a guy looking at a brand new, well, new, but a 2020 Escalade that's parked behind me. It's a repo. He doesn't look like he can afford shoelaces, but you never know nowadays. It's cold as heck out there, and dude wearing sandals, so he probably saved his money buying sandals. Get a 2020 Repo Escalade. He's all over that car. It's funny. All right. There we go. Do another. Now we're going to do a. There we go. Biggest concern with this year of Xterra is the transmissions and the radiators, because this was the years that up north where it's cooler weather and snows and they have salt, the radiators start rusting because of the salt, and then it causes antifreeze to leak into the transmission somehow through a line, and need I say more, transmission's gone. So, okay, I go back. I'll start this up quick. Supposedly runs. Fired right up. Only fault on the dash showing is TPMS. Now, I don't want to erase none of these, but they're not showing on the dash. They are showing here. So it's getting a differential lock P1850, P1808. Got a handful of codes, but I tell you, she runs good. That engine sounds great. I'll tell you something funny. A friend of mine that wants to buy this one, this is pretty cool. He wants it just to go out and just to collect garbage. Because he like dumpster dives and stuff, which is really cool. He's always finding cool stuff. And that's all he wants this for. I think it might not be bad if he gets it cheap enough, you know, $2-3 grand. Any more than that, I mean, retail on it's 10 grand, but this is a repo and it stinks. You're talking $400 or $500 detail job to get this smell out. Yep. Let's check something else here. Check the voltage. Battery voltage is looking good. Yeah, not bad. Stereo works. It's got Rockford Fosgate in it. I test the air, but you know, I ain't gonna waste the time right now this time of year. So yeah, let's see. No resets to do. Yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching.